In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update a file version in Google Drive. Fix today here, let's begin. Start by going to the Google Drive website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once you're inside your drive, locate the file you want to update. This feature works best for non-Google files like PDFs, images, or Microsoft Office documents. After finding the file, right-click on it to open the context menu. From there, hover over File Information, then click on Manage Versions. This will open a small window showing the current version of your file. Now click the Upload New Version button. A file selection window will appear, allowing you to choose the updated version of your file from your computer. Select the file, then click Open to begin uploading. Wait for the upload to complete. Once finished, your file will automatically be updated in Google Drive. The important thing here is that the file keeps the same name and the same shareable link, but now it contains the updated content. This is especially useful if you've already shared the file with others and don't want to send a new link. After the upload is done, click Close to exit the versions window and return to your Google Drive. Now you've successfully updated a file version while keeping everything organized and accessible in one place. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.